Welcome to the unboxing of the Dial-A-Nerd NerdPower device. Let's open her up and see what we get. Ooh, pretties. We'll take everything out and then we can go through it all piece by piece once it's all out. Okay. So to start with, we have the main NerdPower device, which, as you can see, has cables coming out the back of it. We start off with the main 3-pin connector power cable. Let's plug it into something. Nice and snug. Okay. From there, we move on to the 2 power couplets. So one is for your router, one is for your CPE or ONT, whichever you know it as. That's the device that brings the fiber from outside inside your house. Okay. You'll also notice on the top here, this has a switch. Off position, on position. When it's not in use and not plugged into a wall, have it in the off position. When you're going to use it, flip the switch to the on position. That will allow the power to flow through when it then loses its connection, as well as to help with charging the battery and everything. Okay. If you are in need, they have added in these connectors, which will take the main connection you have and make it smaller, just in case your power socket is smaller than the average one that has been provided. You also get an option of a 5 volt or a 9 volt step down converter. If you have a look on the bottom of your router, it'll tell you which one you need. Some take 12, some take 5, some take 9. All you do in order to connect that up is you take the red and black connection section, plug it into the connector from your NerdPower device, make sure it's nice and snug, and then you can take that side there and plug that into your router. This device will give you an average of no less than about 4 hours worth of uptime for your router and CPE combined. You can get longer time period out of that when it's newer, as the battery degrades, so it may drop your connectivity down a little bit. For the price this is a very competitive and cost-effective way to keep your wireless and internet running during those wonderful times of load shedding, so that you can make sure the family is happy and can continue with their schoolwork or with their Netflixing. That is the NerdPower device. Go to our website and place an order.